Bean sprouts are one of the essential vegetables in all the Asian cuisines. You always need them in the fridge. They are used in many dishes such as cabbage and chicken salad with Chinese mayonnaise, bobun, the Vietnamese salad, Chinese stir-fry noodles, pho soup, spring rolls, pad thai, crispy spring rolls. It is therefore practical to know how to grow them at home. I'm going to show you an easy technique just using a milk carton. Soak 50 grams of mung bean seeds overnight. The next day, take an empty and washed milk carton. Make many holes in the bottom. Put the mung bean seeds in. Close the carton with rubber bands to prevent light from entering, so the bean sprouts will be white. In a cooking dish, put 2 supports so that the bottom of the carton cannot be in contact with the flowing water. Let them grow at room temperature. Water them twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Each time, let them drain. Close the carton well. And leave it on the support in the cooking plate. The duration of the growth depends on the room temperature. The hotter it is, the more sprouts grow quickly. At the end of the 5th or 6th day, the bean sprouts fill the box. Take them out. Remove the long, thin part of the root. This is the longest step. Take your time. Do it while chatting around a good tea or listening to a good playlist. The bean sprouts keep for 4 or 5 days in the fridge. Watch them just before using them. The same technique also works with other seeds. For example, to obtain lentil sprouts. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.